So today I am very happy to you. Today I am designed an app called Forex slot calculator. That I have do using that you can place a order through the app. So let's see how that work, and I will making a tutorial. I will show exactly how to make that. So first you have to download in Play Store in your mobile lot calculator, Apex Forex lot calculator. You can see here. So this is one. So after you must login using the sign in with Google. After sign in with Google, you can see the interface of UI this app, like position size, Masaniello, and resource. So here download resource in downside you can see get and get expert advisor MT5 bridge. Also you can see in profile section. Okay, first you have to download this app, and after you must come to resource section. You can see MT5 bridge. Just click the get button. You redirect to the Telegram group. So here two download options, one Apex Cool Bridge and Apex Cool Bridge exe. So this is the execute files. So this is a bridge, main bridge server. This will connect to the app and to MT5 PC connection. So this is Apex Cool Bridge exe file. So this is actually expert advisor. So first you have to click and download it, and download. I already downloaded it. So I will show you. So first you have to open your which broker you have. For example, if you have funded account, like, so this is not a violation to the funded account, because this is a risk management tool. You can really use that. So after that, you have to, for example, I have Apex Cool Bridge exe file. So you have to go, for example, I have 5% is online prop account. So whatever you have, for example, if you have a prop account, you can play. For example, if you have a real account, someone like XNES, XM like, so you can place. They just file, open data folder. First you have to download MT5 and login. After that you can see. So after you can see MQL file, experts. So you have to place here. I already place here Apex Cool Bridge. Okay. So paste here. So after press, you come here and right click, refresh. So here called Apex Cool Bridge. So after that, okay, how much you broker, you can put like that. For example, like Xness, open, like, so
Incoming mail.
open, click the file, open data folder and MQL file and expert. So you can see paste, just paste here. After paste, you can come here. You should come here, and here one called expert advisor, and right click, refresh. See, you can see Apex Cool, like, see, you can see Apex Cool Bridge. Okay. After that, you go to the tools. See here, tools, option, and server, charts, trade, expert advisor, allow algorithm trade, and allow DLL, allow web request. Okay, you have to click algo trading to work this expert advisor. So after that, you have to download the Apex Cool Bridge exe. So I already downloaded. I will show you. I close this. Minute. So after download, you have to install that. So double click that and wait some 2 seconds or 3 seconds. That will loading. See here. that automatically open the one MT5. So after that you can see it will ask you, please select which MT5 installation to use. So for example, if you, so whatever you install, like some like 10, like 11, 3, 4, you have install MT5, that will show name like 5% is XNS. So for example, I will use here XNS. The XNS is given 2. So selected 2 and enter. After enter, see XNS is automatically opening. So I will close this. Okay, I will close and see that will asking a magic number. Magic number is a identification number that EA used. So only this EA will manage these identification number only. So for example, if you, so that is a unique number. So like you can enter your mobile number or anything, your number, like your whatever you want, you can enter like 6-digit number. So default it will like take a 1 2 3 4 5 6 if you press enter. So I will enter like my number. So this is I will enter, press enter. So after enter, you can see there is a server will be accessible at 10.247. This is a static IP, not a dynamic IP. It will change day by day. Okay, after that you must, so you have to come here the app side. So go to profile. So profile, here one option connect. So connect, click connect. See that will ask you server IP. This is my server IP. Okay, and remove that. There is a 10 point, see here 10.247 175.4. So don't put these 500 5000. Okay, just put like last 4, connect. So after connect, you see there is a API keys are, see it will automatically show balance, equity, leverage. Okay, you will get after first time registration you will get a 7 days trial. After you can click upgrade. So only I put at 100 rupees per monthly subscription. Okay, only 100 rupees. So you will get a 1 month subscription. So every month only 100 rupees. So after that, so come to, so position size calculator. So you can see position size calculator. So you already know about like how to manage the risk and like that in prop account or whatever in real account. You must uh, so you must manage the risk. That is the trading rules. So for example, I will remove and add the chart name. 1 minute. See here Apex School Bridge and double click it and input only just OK. So you will see like dashboard. For example, if I want to place a market buy order, first you have to configuration your account balance. For example, how much you take a risk in balance. For example, I will take a 1000 deposit balance. I will only take a 1% from this balance, only risk 1%. Just you have to put this 2 column. You put a currency name. So only in USD, all brokers support USD. So for example, if I want to buy in market buy orders, you can see market buy orders and market sell. Just you have to click it, it will open one risk reward. See here auto sync on. See here all details are showing here. So like order type, I only market buy order type buy, symbol USD GPI, entry, stop loss, take profit, risk reward 1:2. Calculated position size, you can see automatically calculate lot size and risk amount like 1%. So for example, I can manage the RRC here. You can dragging and dragging drop on. For example, I will put a risk reward here. Here real time it will show 1.2, also show here. So lot size automatically calculate 0. Here the automatic calculation happen. So just you have to drag and drop. For example, here one place pending order, I will place. See, it will show like pop-up, and see here the order is placed by USD JPI. Okay, just okay. See here. So also you can after you must cancel that option. You can see RR trailing after 1:1 it will break even, after 1:2 it will trail will 1:1, like you can also use that. Also you can see here close 25% partial close, like that. So I want to close this trade, so I will click only what is this, close by, only I will close by, so automatically it will close. For example, market sell, so buy stop, you can place a buy stop here. So you can read RR, you can drag, see like that. So just place, see here. So RR buy stop is placed, like automatically it will calculate based on the risk percentage and will just to place order from the mobile. Okay, and I will cancel this, and I will cancel pending order. So also you can use buy limit order and sell limit order. Okay, also you can see log calculation MT5. Once you connected like live, it will show. So this one is a position size calculator. Okay, after that, one best feature is I implemented here, Masaniello lot calculator. So you know, already some people know Masaniello is very best good money management system. Okay, using this we can pass the funded account. I already funded account use 5%. So I will show you how to use that. First you have to put the initial cash. For example, per funded account I will share another example, but I will show you. For example, if you put $100 initial cash means deposited. So one disadvantage is the in this calculation. If you lose full row, you will lose all amount. For example, if I place 12 trades, expected wins, total 12 trades I will play, and expected wins only 5, 1, 2. So risk reward is how much? 2, 1:2 risk reward. I will calculate. Okay, it will show next bet amount. If I pass the pi 1:2 pi, I mean out of 12 trades, 1:2 2 trades win. If win, I will get around 10 pi, means 5% I will gain the account. I think only 20% is win rate, 15% is win rate need, only 5% is. I mean 20% is win rate, you will get the 5% end of the sequence. You must win 12 up to out of 12, 2 trades win, must and should. If you don't win, it will lose all amount, like that. Masaniello. I designed like fully automated. It will just, you have to click win loss. For example, I will place a market buy order. See here. So I will place. For example, it will place here. Automatic it will calculate the lot. For example, see. So I will only lose 2.17. See, next bet amount is 2.27 exactly, near buying. For example, if I hit this loss, stop loss if hit, I just see stop loss hit, I will just click loss. So one loss happen, so losses one happen. So again it next bet 3. Next whatever you place order, for example, you are according to your strategy, just place. For example, next sell. After sell, if this trade hit the TP, this TP, I will just play, just click win, like win. So 2 wins. After 2 wins, it will show like that. So status completed, it will show. Okay, like that you can. For example, you have a Pi 1000 account. There is a daily limit. I talking about a prop account. Daily drawdown limit 250 and overall drawdown 10% is like in 5% is. I will put a $250, only $250. I will take a 5% out of 12 trades. I want to win pi. Out of 12 trades, I want to win pi trades. Risk reward is 1:2. So you can change anything, 3 like 4. That is not a problem. Just you have to click calculate. See, around I will get 678. So 250 plus around I will 250 minus 678. Around I will get to $420 around. So we have to only need a 8%, 5%. So once you completed out of 12 trades, 5 wins, you will first page you have pass. Okay, you will pass the first page. So like this you can use Masaniello. Okay, so Masaniello, this is the automated calculation. So like this, you can also ask me. I will also follow. You can say subscribe YouTube channel, Instagram. You can answer if you have any doubt. So I daily I will come live session in this subscribe to YouTube channel. Please subscribe and come daily. I will make a live session trading. You can join there. I will discussing about my strategy. Okay. So this is a this app future have. So there is already I will give a 7 days trial, so you can use that. After if you okay, you can go to upgrade and you can purchase the subscription monthly, only 100 rupees. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact me through the Instagram. Okay, thank you. Also download this app and please, if you satisfied this app, please review my app in Play Store. Thank you.